Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Hey creators, feeling overwhelmed managing posts, captions, and content ideas across multiple platforms? Today, I'll show you how to use ClickUp to manage your entire social media strategy, from content planning and writing to publishing and tracking, all in one place. First, create a dedicated space in ClickUp called Social Media. Within that space, make folders for each platform, like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. This lets you manage content per channel while keeping everything organized. Use Calendar View to plan when content will go live. Add tasks like Post Reel, Morning Routine, or Schedule LinkedIn Carousel. You can drag and drop tasks to rearrange your schedule and instantly visualize your posting plan. Store your post captions directly in the task or link a ClickUp doc if it's longer. You can even attach your media files, images, thumbnails, or videos, so everything's in one place. If you're posting the same types of content every week, like Monday quotes or Friday reels, create task templates with checklist items for caption writing, hashtag research, and scheduling. Use a dashboard to track what's been posted, engagement rates, or even client feedback. This way, you're not just posting, you're improving. ClickUp helps you stop scrambling and start strategizing. With everything in one place, your content creation becomes consistent, clear, and actually fun again. Click on the link in the description to get started for free.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.